Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and today I will show how to send different information like credentials to multiple users via email using mail merge in Microsoft Word and Excel. First, create a list with name, email ID, credentials and any other specific information in Excel. Save this file and we will use it later in mail merge. Next, create an email template in Microsoft Word. Leave placeholders for dynamic fields like first name, username, password, and other personalized details. Now to use Mail Merge in Microsoft Word, go to Mailings tab and click Start Mail Merge option and choose Step by Step Mail Merge Wizard. On the right hand side, step 1 will ask to select the document type. Choose email message and click next. In step 2, choose use the current document and click next. In next step, select use an existing list and click browse. Now select the Excel file you created and click open. In the select table, select the sheet name and click OK. Now in mail merge recipient, it will show all the users added. Select the data source and click OK. Now click next. Now we will customize the email with specific details. To insert the first name, place your cursor after dear word and click address block. Now if the preview section is not showing the name, click on match fields and in the first name, select the field first name. Click OK. Now it will start showing the first name. Select the first option and click OK. The address block is added after dear. Now to insert the username, click wherever you want the information. On right hand side, click on more items and select the username field. Click insert, click close. Now similarly for password, change the cursor position. Click on more items, select password and click insert, click close. Now to add other information, put your cursor on the required place and on the right hand side select more items, select any information field and click insert, click close. Now the required information is added at the required place. You can change the format of any customized detail. So select any information field, go to home tab, click on bold, change the font color to red. Now your email template is ready. Click on next to preview your email message. The first email is ready. Now you can use the arrow button to check the emails for all recipients. The username, first name, password, and the other information will be changed accordingly. Now click next to complete the merge. Select electronic mail option. Select email ID in to field. Enter the subject. Select HTML in mail format. Click OK and it will start sending emails to all the recipients. Now you have successfully automated emails with personalized details using mail merge. Go to Outlook and you can see your emails. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Excel and automation tips. Thanks for watching.